radical equations. We're going to call this level 2 of radical equations. So again, first thing you got to do is make sure that one of the radicals is isolated on one of the sides. Doesn't matter which radical or which side. We're good in number 4 here. So once you're good there, you square both sides. The side with the radical, so in this case the right side, easy side, whatever's inside the radical just pops out. Watch yourself on this left side here. When you square 2x, you square the 2, you square the x. So it's 4x squared. All right. Now, I have an x squared. It's not going to go away. So I need to get everything over to one side. I'm going to move everything over to the left and then factor. We'll be factoring. You can use quadratic formula if you want, but you don't need to. Anything I give you in these will be able to factor. So just keep that in mind. So we go ahead, use the AC method if you want. We get 4 times 5 is 20. Factors of 20 that add up to -12 or -2, -10. So we go through 4x squared minus 2x minus 10x plus 5 equals 0. Group them. GCF, 2x minus 1 is left over. Need to be left with the 2x minus 1 again to be left over. In order to make that happen, we need to take out a -5. We get our factored form here, 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 5. Set it equal to 0. Pull out your solutions. We get x equals positive 1/2. Remember, it's opposite sign, right number over the left number, and then positive 5/2. Now, these are possible answers. Check it out with the beginning problem or the original problem here. All right. So you plug both of these into the left side. They're positive still. That's a good sign. I cannot have a radical set equal to a negative. So if you had a radical and the left side was negative, that answer wouldn't work. We're okay here so far. Left side checks out. Right side, I just need a positive underneath the radical. 1/2 of 12 is 6. 6 minus 5 is a positive 1. We're okay there. 5/2 is bigger than 1/2. So if I plug it in, I'm still going to get a positive. I'm good. Both those answers check out. Okay. Next one. Slide this over. Just focus on this problem here. Same deal. One radical on one of the sides needs to be isolated. We're okay here. Right side is isolated, so I square both sides. Now watch this. Right side is easy. 3x plus 12 pops out. Same deal as the last problem. I take that square, square both those terms inside. 3 squared is 9. Square root of x squared is just x. It does not become x squared. So this problem is actually a little bit easier than the last one, even though it looks a little bit tougher. All I do is get x by itself, subtract 3x, get 6x equals 12, x equals 2. Possible solution there, double check your answers. All you need is positives on each side and underneath the radicals. Positive 2 underneath the first radical, you're okay. We get a positive 18 under there, we're okay. This answer checks out, we're good to go. Okay, that's it for level 2.